Welcome back to MH Car Review, and today we have something absolutely extraordinary to share with you. What you're looking at right now is not just a motorhome, it's a masterpiece on wheels, a mobile mansion that redefines luxury travel in ways you've never imagined. This is the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, and calling it exclusive would be an understatement. This is automotive opulence taken to a level that most of us only dream about. Let's start with what immediately catches your eye, the exterior design. Mercedes has completely abandoned the traditional boxy motorhome aesthetic and created something that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. The front fascia features the iconic Mercedes star, but everything around it screams futuristic luxury. Those sleek LED headlights cut through the air with aggressive precision, while the aerodynamic body lines flow from front to back like a carefully sculpted work of art. The champagne and black two-tone paint scheme isn't just beautiful, it's a statement of sophistication and elegance. Notice those massive alloy wheels, and yes, this motorhome rides on 6 wheels for enhanced stability and load capacity. The dual rear axle setup means you're getting superior handling and weight distribution, which is crucial when you're piloting something this substantial down the highway. The body itself appears to be constructed from lightweight composite materials combined with aluminum, keeping the weight manageable while maintaining structural integrity. Those panoramic windows aren't just for show, they're designed to bring natural light flooding into the interior while giving passengers spectacular views of whatever scenery you're traveling through. The retractable awning system and exterior lighting package mean you can set up camp anywhere and turn your surroundings into an outdoor living space at the touch of a button. Now let's talk about what really sets this motorhome apart, the interior. Step inside, and you're not entering an RV, you're entering a 5-star hotel suite that happens to move. The attention to detail is absolutely staggering. We're talking hand-stitched leather upholstery, genuine wood trim throughout, and premium materials in every direction you look. The main living area features a full entertainment system with a massive flat-screen television, surround sound, and connectivity options that would make a modern smart home jealous. The seating arrangement is modular and can be configured multiple ways, perfect for entertaining guests or creating a cinema-like atmosphere for movie nights on the road. The kitchen area is a gourmet chef's dream. Full-size appliances including a residential refrigerator, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and even a wine cooler are all standard. The countertops appear to be genuine marble or high-quality quartz, and the cabinetry is soft-close European style. You've got ample storage space, a deep sink, and all the amenities you'd expect in a luxury apartment. Moving toward the sleeping quarters, the master bedroom features a king-size bed with premium bedding, additional entertainment options, and what looks like a dedicated workspace. The bathroom rivals what you'd find in upscale hotels, complete with a full shower, modern fixtures, heated floors, and premium finishes throughout. Climate control is handled by a sophisticated dual-zone system that ensures every passenger enjoys their perfect temperature. The ceiling features ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to create different moods, and the flooring appears to be genuine hardwood or extremely high-quality laminate that mimics it perfectly. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated throughout the space, maximizing every available inch without making the interior feel cramped. Performance-wise, Mercedes hasn't shared all the technical specifications yet, but we can make some educated observations. Given the size and luxury appointments of this motorhome, it's likely powered by a substantial diesel engine, possibly a 6-cylinder or even a V8 turbo diesel producing somewhere in the range of 400 to 500 horsepower. Torque numbers would be equally impressive, likely exceeding 1,000 Newton-meters to move this substantial vehicle with authority. The transmission is almost certainly an automated manual or advanced automatic with 8 or more gears, optimized for both fuel efficiency during highway cruising and adequate power for climbing grades or merging into traffic. The suspension system is probably an advanced air suspension setup that can automatically adjust ride height and firmness based on road conditions and load. This means you'll enjoy car-like handling and comfort even in something this large. Modern safety systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and a comprehensive camera system would be expected at this price point. The braking system likely includes engine braking, exhaust brakes, and substantial disc brakes on all wheels to safely stop this luxury land yacht. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. Mercedes hasn't officially announced pricing for this 2026 motorhome, but based on the level of luxury, customization, and exclusivity we're seeing, you should expect this mobile mansion to carry a price tag well into the seven-figure range. We're talking somewhere between $2 and $5 million, possibly more depending on customization options and special requests. This isn't a vehicle for everyone, it's designed for the ultra-wealthy who demand the absolute best and refuse to compromise on luxury, even when they're traveling. This is the future of luxury motorhome travel, where no expense is spared and every detail is perfected. Thanks for watching MH Car Review, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible automotive content.